Hi guys, so today we have a very good question which is based on salesperson, where will we have three tables and we have to use all the three tables to come up with the solution. So we have to go with uh, salesperson table where we will have column name and type. We also have to go through company table where we have column name and type. We have to go through with orders table where we have uh, yes columns and its type we can see. Now here we can see sales id is a primary key, company id is a primary key, and order id is a primary key in orders table. So what is our question? So write a SQL query to repeat the name of all the salesperson who did not have any orders related to company with name red. So we have to find out the salesperson who did not have any order from the company red. So how we can solve this problem? So if we have an idea of the sales ID or salesperson which is belongs to company name red, so I think we can solve that problem in a significant manner. So how we can see here? So let's see, we have a orders table, and in orders table we have a sales id and company id. So if we can get those sales id where the company id which is based on the company red is available, so we can extract those sales id and we will put these particular list of sales id into the into the query of salesperson we will do. So what I'll do, because we don't want the people uh, who have uh, company name called red. Okay, so what I'll do, we have to select name from salesperson. Okay, so this is our question because we need names. So I have selected names. Now in names, what I have to do, I have to remove some of the sales ID where sales ID not in. So because we have various number of sales ID, so I have to remove some of the sales ID. So what I'll do, I'll put the list of but some of the sales ID. Sales ID not in. So which sales ID I'll choose? I'll choose these sales ID. These sales ID where the company name will not be read. So based on the company ID, we will select uh, the company which is named it. Then only we can remove these type of sales ID. So select sales ID from which table? From orders. Here I have done. Okay, so from there I will get the sales ID, but I have to give a condition where column ID should be based on red, where column ID where column ID in select column ID from orders. Till here I have done. I'll write the new query from the next line because it can be difficult for reading purpose. So that is the reason. Orders where column id not in column id in select column id from company. Okay, where name equal to red. This we have to do. So second bracket. So now we will run this code. Let's see what will happen. So our solution is accepted. So what we have done, we have selected the sales name of salesperson. We have given the condition where we will put the list of sales ID which we don't want. So what I have done, where sales ID not in. So here I have taking the sales ID which I want to remove. So I have given the list of sales ID which I don't want, and this sales ID I have taken from orders table. Okay, from orders table these sales ID I have taken, and based on which condition, company name, company ID, where the company ID is name red. So where company ID, so I have taken the list of the company ID which has a name of red, where the name is equal to red. So that is the conditions and subqueries I have taken, and based on these subqueries we have came to the solution. That's it. Thank you guys.